Yeah. Do you guys even take public transport? Do you take trains? Would you take a train? Or are you those people who take trains only when you are out of your country? And over there, that corner over there, it's people taking photos on platform 3 and platform 9 and 3/4. That's Harry Potter scene. Yeah, so when you see those photos, but the queue is about an hour, so you have to wait for about an hour if you want to take that photo. I'm just waiting for my train platform to be announced. It has been announced. I have to go. Let me go before I get there and I have nowhere to sit. Let me take you with me to my platform. I'm going to platform 3. Where is platform 3? Can you guys see it? Is it that side? Okay. Looks like I have to go that side. I love the roof. It's a beautiful, beautiful design. And if you have a sweet tooth, you can come here and indulge some sweet tooth snacks. There's even a family waiting area if you are traveling with children or with the elderly, or if you just want to sit. Toilets, so you don't have to wet yourself. Whew. Now I'm breathing heavy. I'm walking fast.